Welcome to my channel. In this video, we're going to consider this interesting equation before us. We have here into m plus 5 equals m. But the question is, does this really have a solution? Many people that make attempts to solve this, but on the way they got stuck and run away, saying this has no solution. But in this video, I'm going to prove to you that this equation has a perfect solution. Now, ensure that you watch this video to the end and you learn a lot from this because you had never solved this kind of equation before. Right here, let's have a solution. We have into m plus 5 equals m. Here, what I'm going to do first is for us to square this both sides of the equation, and if we are going to have here m into m plus 5 to the power of 2 equals m to the power of 2, and here this can also be expressed as into m plus 5 into m plus 5 equals m to the power of 2, and right here we expand this, we are going to have this m into m plus 5 into m plus 5 equals m to the power of 2. And you're going to expand each bracket, and here have m times m, that will give us m square, m times plus 5, that will give us plus 5m, then here plus 5 times that will give us plus 5m, and plus 5 times 5, that will give us plus 25 equals m to the power of 2. And again, we're going to simplify this. What I have here, m to the power of 2 plus 5 and plus 5, and that will give us plus 10m plus 25 equals m squared. And right here we are going to collect like terms, and we have here, we're going to move this m square to the right hand side of the equation, and you're going to have here 10m plus 25 equals m square. If you move this down here, it becomes minus m square. And again, this gives us 10m plus 25 equals m square minus m square, that gives us 0. Then in this case, we are going to move 25, or we subtract 25 from both sides of the equation, and the equation becomes 10m plus 25 minus 25 equals 0 minus 25. And right here, plus 25 minus 25 will be eliminated 0, and we have that. And we have here that 10m equals minus 25. Now we are going to divide both sides of the equation by 10, and divide here by 10, divide here by 10, then here 10 will eliminate 10, and we have that m equals minus 25 all over 10. Now we are going to reduce the equation to the lowest term by dividing both the numerator and the denominator by 5. Here we have that m equals 25 minus 25 divided by 5, that will give us minus 5, and all over 10 divided by 5, that will give us 2. And this is the value of m here. Now let us cross check and see if this value of m will be satisfied this given equation. And from then we know that this problem has a solution or does not. Then here we're going to substitute this value into this equation. We have here m plus 5 equals m. Then at this point, we are going to have here develop m here. We are going to substitute develop m here. We have here minus 5 all over 2 plus 5 equals here m is minus 5 all over 2. Then here know that this is over 1, and we are going to add this to this. We're going to multiply 2 by 5, and we have here minus 5 plus 2 times 5, that gives us 10 all over 2 equals minus 5. And at this point, we have here minus 5 plus 10, that will give us 5 all over 2 equals this 5 minus 5 all over 2 minus 5 all over 2. But right here, we have here that we have here 5 all over 2 equals minus 5 all over 2. But the left hand side does not equals to the right hand side of the equation. Here we have 5 over 2, but here we have minus 5 all over 2. This simply implies that this problem has no solution. We cannot have something like this. The left hand side needs to be equal to the right hand side of the equation, and that is when the value m is supposed to be satisfied with this equation. Therefore, this value minus 5 over 2 is the value of m does not satisfy this equation. Then as such, this very problem m plus 5 equals m has no solution. Do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more interesting math solutions and proofs from this channel. See you in the next video.